Hey Donald, my name is Viola with Clear Digital Marketing, and you inboxed me on Facebook. So, as promised, I'm shooting you this short video to give you a few tips on how to help grow your business online. And I'll keep this video short, but if by the end of the video you can tell that's something that we specialize in and that you're interested in doing for your business, please reach out to me and let us know so we could chat. If not, no worries. I hope you are able to take these tips that I'm giving you and put them into action. The only thing I ask, if you don't mind, would just be to give me some feedback on this video and let me know if it was helpful. But the three things we'll be going over are content, backlinks, and citations. So first up is content, and that's anything that you can see on your site here. So it does include the words, but also the pictures and what your pictures are saved as. And Google wants to see 1,500 words on the homepage of a website. But within those 1,500 words, that gives you the opportunity to integrate keywords that people are searching when they're looking for your services. So your website looks fantastic. My only suggestion would be to add some more content onto your homepage because we, of course, want to appease Google by having those 1,500 words. But those keywords that I mentioned are also a huge component, and that's going to help out a tremendous amount when you're trying to get ranked on Google. So, for example, the next thing I want to go over with you actually are the citations. So, citations have a lot to do with this section right here. Here we go. And this section here, we call this the map pack. And a citation is basically your name, address, and phone number listed in various directories throughout the web. And when I say directory, I mean things like Facebook, LinkedIn, Yelp, Yellow Pages, really anywhere else that would allow a business to enter those details. So you want to check out where your competitors are being listed, and you want to grab those listings for your business. But then you want to double, triple, quadruple where you're found. So for instance, if your top competitor has 10 directory listings, then you want to grab those 10 and then add another 20, 30, 40. That's pretty much going to have you completely dominating them in that space, which will also help you rank high on the maps here, because as soon as your competitors start doing something different, it could affect your spot as well. So always make sure that you are staying on top of that so that you can beat them out every single month. Now the next thing we will move on to are our backlinks. And backlinks have a lot to do with this section right here. And this is called the organic section. And the way that backlinks work is there's a website out there that has a link back to your site. And it's pushing power to your site. And it's also potentially driving traffic to it. And please understand, not all backlinks are created equal. So let's say you did some work for someone who owns an ice cream shop, and they've decided that they're going to take a link from their site and push one back to yours. But their link is going to be all about ice cream. So it's not going to be very helpful, but you're going to want to get links from other roofing companies that send something back to your site that can signal to Google that it's an industry that you are in. And because of that, it's going to be a lot more powerful as well as more unique. And this will help you get ranked #1 here while also ranking #1 up here in the map pack, as I mentioned earlier. Now, let's go take a look at this here. All right, this is one of the tools I use just so I can give you a visual representation. So currently, your site has 42 referring domains, which are giving it 99 backlinks, and you are getting found for 2 keywords, and all of that is driving not any traffic to your site per month at the moment. However, let's take a look at one of the competitors here. Here's one of them. Okay, they have 117 referring domains, giving them 389 backlinks, getting them found for 789 keywords, and all of that is driving 643 people to their site per month. So let's take a look at the keywords. Here we go. Let's take a look at the keywords that they are using, and I can give you some examples of some good ones, and hopefully we can get some ideas here. So let's take a look. Okay, roofing Bergen County. This is a good one. All right. This is a great one here because they're using exactly what they're doing, roofing in Bergen County. So that way you can see, okay, people who are searching for this will be definitely interested in getting a roof done, you know, as opposed to someone who's just looking for gutter hangers. That could be in any location, but you see this has the location in the keyword as well as what it is that they're doing. If this said gutter hangers Bergen County or gutter hangers Garfield, New Jersey, then that would be a strong one. As you can see here, let's keep going. Here we go, roofing, Bergen County, New Jersey. See, so this is good. This is almost the same. As you can see, they look identical, but they're not because this has New Jersey on it. So believe it or not, that opens it up for a completely different keyword, whereas people are searching for this versus people searching for that. And as you can see, 100 people search for this and 100 different people search for that. Okay, so, you know, I'm not going to bore you and go through this entire list of keywords. But however, I do hope that this does give you a good idea of the type of things that you would want to integrate into your content. So truly, in order to beat out your competition, you just want to make sure that you're being found in a lot of places that they are. But then again, we spoke about earlier, always making sure that you are adding on top of that. This way you are pretty much far surpassing your competitors, which is what will help you get on that first page of Google. And that's pretty much all I have for you today, Donald. So I do hope that this video was helpful. And if you would like more information about Claire Digital Marketing and how we can help grow your business via your online presence, please contact us. We would love to talk to you. But again, thank you so much for your time, and I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day.